Louis Cohn, Nutritional Healing Center of Dallas. I'm doing a short series of videos on leaky gut syndrome and stomach digestive issues in general. So on this video, I just wanted to talk about what are the general causes of leaky gut syndrome or some of the other problems with the intestines. I just wanted to let you know that the intestines do not just fall apart on their own. There's got to be a cause for it. So just like with anything, you can become extremely complicated if you want to. But I prefer to keep things simple. There's really only about 4 things that can cause the intestines to have troubles. The first and foremost is food allergies. Food allergies can irritate the intestines enough that it starts to cause leaky gut syndrome, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, or any one of those other hundreds of names that get labeled on troubles in the digestive system. So food allergies or food sensitivities can be a big deal, and that needs to be tested for if you have some stomach issues. Number 2, low-grade infections. Yeast infections, microparasite infections, sometimes viruses, sometimes bacteria. If you've got the wrong stuff in your intestines, it can cause inflammation and damage to the intestinal lining. So that can be something that's going on. Interesting thing about the infections, you don't always feel sick when you have them. So you could have some irritation to the intestines but not have a fever, and you don't particularly feel sick, or you're not having diarrhea perhaps. You don't label yourself as like, no, I don't have any problem with an infection. I'm not sick. I just have stomach problems. And I've had them for 4 years. And it could be infections. So those need to be screened for. Toxins can also cause problems with health. So if you are eating something or breathing something on a regular basis that is toxic, that could cause stress. If you are not able to detoxify normal stuff that we have exposure to, you cannot get rid of the bad stuff as effectively as you need to. You will become toxic slowly. So that can be an issue with inflammation and stress in the body. And then number 4, if you're lacking something that you need to repair yourself, you can have troubles. If you're low on a nutrient, if you're low on a vitamin or a mineral that you need for repairing your body, in this example, the intestines, you are going to have trouble repairing your intestines. So a little extra of something that you're not getting enough of will do wonders for you. You just need to know what is that thing so that you can take extra of it. And those are basically the 4 things that cause troubles for leaky gut, stomach problems in general. The top 2, food allergies or sensitivities, and number 2, low-grade infections. The reason I say low-grade is because if it's high-grade infection, you know it's there. You have a fever, you're throwing up, or you have some diarrhea or something, and you get over to the hospital. Low-grade implies you don't know it's there. So those 2 things are the major first things that I find causing stomach problems across the board. If you have questions, please comment below. Ask a question. I'll do my best to answer it, or I'll make a video about it so that I can answer for everybody, because it's such a good question. So please comment or ask questions or share these videos if you like them. I will be continuing to talk about stomach problems and irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut syndrome in further videos. Thanks for watching.